Welcome to the channel. This is Tech Investing, a channel where I look at tech companies and explain them in non-technical ways to investors. Today we're going to be having a look at Zillow, which has the ticker symbol of Z. Now in this video I'm going to have a look at the business side of Zillow so that you have an understanding of the products and the services that it offers. And tomorrow I will release a video where I look at the financial side of Zillow. So it's most up-to-date revenue and finances, so that you have an idea on how it makes money and whether it actually makes money. But this video I'm going to have a look at the business side of things. So we are going to start by kind of looking at what Zillow actually does. Now I will say that I had the exact same idea, and I was kind of looking at the idea of building an app or application or website like this. But the only problem was that Zillow stole my idea years before I even had this idea. So I will let them away with it because they had the idea first. But yes, what is Zillow? Zillow is an online real estate marketplace based in the US. Users of it can look to buy a house on it, sell a house on it, or rent a house on it. Users actually type in a location within the United States and Zillow will show them all of the properties that are available for whatever they're looking for, whether that's rentals or buying. Now you can also filter it and narrow it down. Like here you have for sale, but you can also say for rent. Now it's very interactive, and I actually do like this idea that you can just kind of zoom in a particular area and then suddenly you get all of the houses for that area. And then if you want to see details in the house, you can kind of just go in the house, scroll down, and you can see pictures. Now this is actually really smart. You got all of this information, you can contact the agent responsible for the house, you can take a tour, schedule a visit, and it'll even estimate your monthly costs. So Zillow makes money a few different ways. Let's say you own a property and you want to list this property on Zillow so that you can show it to all of their users. Now, Zillow claims to have 34 million visitors each month, which is a lot of people to essentially show your property to. Now, they have a few tools to make this a bit easier so you can list it easily. You can also kind of get an estimate on what you could charge as a monthly rent. They also have a tenant screening process. So yeah, it's just a few simple steps. You add the property and images, you set the monthly price you want, and then you publish it and it gets shown to everybody who uses the application who's looking for a property in the area that your house is in. So they make money by charging users to list these properties. Now they also make money through different things, through the screening, through signing a lease, and also collecting rent. Now, Zillow also offers the opportunity to sell your property on Zillow so that you can skip quite a lot of other hassles. Now, because Zillow is such a big company and because it offers so many properties all over the United States, it can afford to, well, reduce the cost in other areas of the selling process. So yes, you might save money through other things, but Zillow will still make a bit of money just through simplifying the process for you. Their margin doesn't need to be as high because they make money other ways compared to traditional real estate agents. Hope that makes sense. Now this is actually quite cool. You can sell your home directly to Zillow. So they purchase your home and then sell it on for you. You can sell traditionally with an agent. So you can use Zillow to find an agent to sell your home, or you can sell it by yourself. But yes, that is Zillow and what it actually does. And in terms of the business idea of it, it's something that I really like. The only problem I have with it is the fact that it is only United States based and not in Europe, where I am. Their website is really easy to use because you get the pretty much entire map of the United States. You can just zoom in on a particular area, you can refine your search and filter it almost however you want. Now, as a business, I also quite like how they make their money. They make their money through advertising and also charging kind of small fees whenever someone sells a property or rents a property or lists a property. Now, they make most of their money through advertising, but I'll go into more detail in that in my next video, which will be released tomorrow. Same time this video comes out, just one day later. That does, however, bring us to the end of this video and the business side of Zillow. I do hope you have enjoyed and found it informative. If you have, I would really appreciate if you hit that like button. Thank you very much, and I will see you next time. soon.